Guys, nandito tayo sa Samsung sa Trinoma and we are here. Nakita natin, no? There's two Galaxy S22 na series model here, no? So we have here the S22 Ultra and the S22 Plus on here on display. So tara, tingnan muna natin, no? I'll give you my quick impression dito sa S22 Ultra. So first of all, kita natin, no? Parang siyang Note series, no? Square na rin siya. And ang dami ng camera, penta camera. So this is the first from Samsung. Okay? First penta camera ni Samsung. And maganda yung feel niya, no? Big, wide yung screen niya. And definitely, I love the display, no? So, I'll be checking some of these specs, no? From the official site. So, tingnan natin, no? So, the price is, ito, no? Kita natin. Okay? So, 6.8 inch ang kanyang screen. Then, memory niya, no, 8 gigs of RAM, 128, which is priced at 68,990. Then we also have the 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage at 72,990, and of course 12 gigs of RAM 512 at 80,990. So yung kita naman natin 108 MP ang camera niya. Then may 10 MP na telemacro lens, 100 times space zoom, and 12 MP na ultra wide camera. So front camera is 50 MP and 5,000 mAh ang kind of battery. So just get a quick preview netong phone na ito, no. So the response is definitely nice. Kita natin, no. Very smooth. Okay, as expected naman from the flagship series ni Samsung, no. And here are some of the pre-installed apps na pwede natin makalikot. And okay, so medyo dark lang dito. Okay, so I'm sure may pen ito, no. Though hindi lang siya available here sa display model. And this is I think the purple model, no. And on the other side, you have the power button and of course the volume rocker. Okay, so yeah, basically if you ask me, this is pretty nice when it comes to vlogging. And tingnan natin lang kanang quick, tingnan natin saglit lang kanang camera. So guys, taking a quick look at the camera of this phone. So masabi ko sa inyo, this is quite a little bit dark scene. So medyo ini-enhance siya, no? Focus enhancer. So making the shot better. Okay? Klarong-klaro siya, no? So as expected from this camera performance ni Samsung, I didn't expect anything less from this one. So definitely, it's a very much of a performer. So checking some, mga selfie shots na nakita natin dito, it's really nice. 40 MP, no, na front-facing camera. Definitely, it's very sharp, as you can see. Okay, the photos definitely is pretty nice. Okay, so kita natin, no, very detailed ang photos dito sa kanyang front selfie camera. So pretty clear, 40 MP. So I'm pretty sure na pagdating sa vlogging to, this is really, really nice. And kita natin ang halos bezel-less ang kanyang edge. Okay. So, really nice. And curved din ang kanyang screen, no, on this side. Okay. So, definitely pretty nice. Okay. And of course, it has the S Pen, which is naka-detach dito, no. Sa kanyang demo, no, para hindi mawala. So, kita natin, no, sumusunod siya. Okay. So, pagpinda natin ang contacts. Okay. Okay, so sumusunod siya. It's really nice. Okay. So, yeah, this is similar to S Pen present inside the Note series ni Samsung. Okay, so checking some other functions in this kind of camera, other modes. Okay, so kita natin, there's a lot. Ito siguro pinakamagandang laro, the director's view. Okay. So that's it, guys. I've given you the quick impression of this one, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And guys, it's already ready for pre-ordering at any Samsung store nationwide. So ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick. I hope to see you on the next video.